So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can enable and use live captions in FaceTime on macOS 15. So before we continue, make sure you have Apple Intelligence on your Mac. To turn it on, follow these steps. So first of all, click on this Apple icon. Now click on System Settings. After this, click on this option on the left pane. Now ensure this toggle is enabled. After this, click on Accessibility on the left pane. Scroll down and click on Live Captions. Now enable the toggle for Live Captions. After this, enable the toggle for Live Captions in FaceTime. So once you do this, you will see live captions in FaceTime. Not only this, but you can customize captions from here. For example, you can set a font family from this option. You can also change font size, font color, and background color. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this information useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like the video.